Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, the daily candle, what it's doing to us here. By the way, the one here, which is going now, is the Monday candle. Over here, it fell down the market till here. Let's zoom it a little bit for us to explain to you more, guys. Like that. As you see it, guys, it fell down till here down. Now it's showing to us there is a pin bar now here in that level here at the European market close now. So that one is a very good signal. Maybe you're going to see it going up. But till now also we need to still waiting, guys. What me I told you before. I told you got here that inside bar, that one and that one here. If it doesn't being broke, there is no entry, guys. That's what me I told you before. So guys, it's need a candle to come or the market to move upward till here, and after that a candle to come and to close like that. Yes, in lower time frames like 30 minutes or something, we can enter all that going up. But here for long-term investment, also we are in a very, very, very bad time, guys. Look at it. Also we break in here, that level. And I show you in the wake of, guys, what me I told you. I told you that one, it needs to come back inside here. If it doesn't, there is no entry. Because also here we break in a very, very, very criteria level. Look at it. That level here, it's been holding the Bitcoin for long, guys. And also now we break it here. So for us to know the Bitcoin, it will going up. It needs that one to come and to break up here. If it doesn't, guys, maybe the Bitcoin, it will just come till here, till that level here, like that. Then after that, from here, it's going to drop and to give you here a lower low like here. Because that one is the lower low. So it's going to go till here. It will give you here a high. Then after that, it's going to drop to give you another low. So that one is a downtrend. So you need to be very, very, very careful. Because if you zoom it out like that, look with me here. What you seeing now? Over here, the high. Over here, the low. So a downtrend, how we also know it, always spot it. He give you like that low. It came up, he give you a high. Then after that, he will give you another low. So you need to be a very, very, very close eye at that level where we are here. Maybe just going to come to here. Then after that, it's going to give you another low like that. Everything is too clear, guys. You get the picture what I'm trying to tell you or not? For us to enter long, it's need the Bitcoin to come. You see that level here or that low here of those candles here, those ones. The Bitcoin it's need to come back and to break and to enter here. If it's enter here, that wake up pattern I show you in one of the videos here. Actually, I just show it to you that few days. It need that one to come inside. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. For long-term investors, they say, and forget about everything. Just buy once a week, once a day, once a month, depending on how much capital you got, and use a hard wallet, guys. Use a hard wallet. I explained those things thousands of times. Don't trust in any exchange. Use a hard wallet. Always you will control your cryptos, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, what else we said? People they been with us. What else we said? We said some people they tell you got here a wage like that. It's not right. Because look at it. Used to be here a wage. Now you need to be entering short now at that level here. You need you to have or holding now a short position. But what the Bitcoin is giving you now here, look with me here, exactly here what the Bitcoin is giving you here. Now it give you here a triangle. Like that. Yes or no? Me, what did I told you about all those things? What me I told you here at the 4 hours? I told you got here that flag, that one. For the 2 levels. If the Bitcoin doesn't break higher here, don't enter long. If it doesn't break lower here, don't enter short. I explain all those things thousands of times, guys. I explain thousands of times. If it doesn't break lower here, there is no entry. If it doesn't break higher here, there is no entry. For lower time frames like 30 minutes or 15 minutes, yes, you can enter from here to here or from that level where it's breaking to down. But for swing trading, it's not yet, guys. Swing trading, we need to aim at least 10%, 5%. We can aim in here 2% or 3%, guys. You get what I'm saying or not? And here, in the 4 hours, guys, what else we got? Look with me here. Let me show you here. I'll show you that pattern here or that price action here. Also we got here. As you see it, that one, I told you that one is a flag. You came from here to here, like that. And you're waiting where it's going to break. Then you bring in that line here, that one. And you put it. If it's breaking down, you put it here. We are going to 13K or something. If it's breaking up, we are going to go back where we fell down. Picture is too clear to you guys. So you need to be focused about that level where it's going to be broken, either up or either down. By the way, you, my friend, yes, you. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in for you 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now from professional people. That's the job of them. It's not something hard. Just a red button down here telling you, hey, mister, subscribe at me. Go click at it. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. Or if you want to be notified more quicker, you can join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now guys, I think the picture is too clear to you. We need to wait and either to break down or to break up. There is no entry now. Also, we stay sideways here. The market today just Monday. The market is just opening. It's a long week. It's going to come a lot of events, so you need to wait in a little bit. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's going to see our indicators. What the same for pictures to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, as you see it, when it came here, it touched here. And if you remember, also we used to have here like a divergence like that, or a trend line like that. Sorry. When it's breaking here, I told you it's going to fall down. As you see it fall down till here. Now what the view? Us we waiting here to give us here a divergence or something, because if it give us here a divergence or something here, all those analysis is going to change, guys. Everything it will change. But till now there is no divergence here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, my friend, if you smash the like button, go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys, smashing the like button, writing down a comment, support us. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's go now to see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. The one here, as you remember, us, we used to be here at the oversold area. And that's why me had told you those oscillators, they're not working, guys. You need just to use them to confirm for you, but not to base your trading on an oscillator. As you see it, is it here at the oversold area and how long it's been there. Also here, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it. That's the third time, guys. But look at it. When we touch it, the first one, you see how much he went up. Second one here, he went up a little bit. Now the third time we touch it here. I think now it's going to go a little bit more slower than the previous ones, or it will not be more volume like here and here. Like here and here. So if it done that, 100% guys, we're going to break down. But another scenario, if it came from here, a volume and breaking that two here, breaking that first one here and the second one, you're going to know over here we're going to change to a uptrend, but till now also we're still here in a downtrend. Also here the only price action we have here is that level here, guys. It needs to be broken here for us to enter long. Or another scenario for people, they just like in scalping, but that one also we're going to come to it in 30 minutes. You can enter from here to here, just to here, to from 16k to 18k, and that's nothing, guys, if you're using spot. And even if you use a leverage and your capital is small, you will not make that much of money here. So you need to make a close eye. That was me, I told you it needs to break here. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. In 30 minutes, the last video, what me I told you. In the last video, guys, what did I told you here? I told you we got here a wedge like that. As you see it, where it's breaking, it's being broken down here. So also we don't need to enter short, because also we be looking for buy. And I told you we need to wait, and if the market going to give us down here a price action indicating for us, also we need to enter long. And yes, here it give us a price action, guys. Look with me here. That's the first, that's the second button, guys. As you see it, it's very clear here. You can do it like that, like that, like that, and like that. That a double button, guys, is very clear here. So what you're going to do here, you came to that level here, that one here, and you're waiting a candle to come and to close above it here for you to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. And for the short, you came like that and you do well like that, guys. But the short, it need to break here. That last low here, you can enter short if it's breaking down, but I don't think we are going to break. I think we are going to go higher, guys. So here in scalping, we need to look in just for buy opportunities, guys. You need to make that one very close at your eye. We're looking here at 30 minutes or scalping just for buy opportunities. Why? I'm going to tell you why, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it here at the oversold area. So also now we need to look in just for buy opportunities. As I told you, that the only price action you have here, level, you are in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone. You see it in the 4 hours, in the daily. So you need to make a close eye if we are going to break here. If we break in here, that's gonna candle to open down here and to close above here, that level, you enter long, guys, here in 30 minutes. Everything is too clear, guys. I'm going to come back to you when the daily candle finish it. So, guys, that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle. Finish it, guys. Bye for now.